welcome back. In this class, we are going to create a program to split a integer list into two different lists, that is, having all the odd numbers in one list and even numbers in the other list. Let us open Python, accept n number of integer elements and create a list. Create two more lists where all the odd numbers and even numbers are collected from the main list. Display all three lists. So we need to create a list with n number of elements, so that n we will take from the user. N is equal to int of input of enter the number of elements. We will have an empty list so that we can append the elements to the list. So lst is equal to empty list. We also need two more lists to store the odd numbers and even numbers separately. So I say onum is equal to empty list, and then enum is equal to empty list. Now we will create a for loop to accept n number of elements for the list. For I in range n number of elements, we will give n here. So let us take the input from the user. Num is equal to int of input of enter the element. So this will be asked n number of times. So every time we take the number, we will append this to the main list. So lst dot append of, that is num. Once the for loop is completed, n number of elements are appended to the list lst. Now we can print the list. Print, we can give a reference here, main list as lst. Now we will split this list into two different lists with odd numbers and even numbers. Before that, I wanted to show how this works. So let us execute this. Number of elements, I say 5. Enter the element. So it will be asking 5 times. I give 45, 33, 22, 88, 51. So this is the main list. We got it. Now we need to again traverse the list to check each element. So for that purpose, again I use for loop for j in lst. See, now I am not using the range, I am just directly taking the elements. J becomes each element when it runs. So I am going to check whether it is even number or odd number. For that purpose, I will be using divisibility test. That is, if j mod 2 equal to 1, then it is odd number. So what I am going to do is, I am going to append to odd number list, that is onum dot append of j. Otherwise it is going to be the even number. I will append to the even number, else enum dot append of j. Now we will display both the list. Print odd numbers list. So that is onum. I copy paste and simply change this. It is enum and then even number list. Let us execute this program. We are giving n number of elements, 7 I give this time. Enter the element 34, 12, 56, 34, 79, 21, 33. You could see main list odd number list, there are 3 odd numbers, and even number list. Hope this was very clear to you. In the next class, we are going to create a program where it will split, but alternative elements get splitted into 2 different lists. If you are having any doubt regarding any program, or you want any new program me to explain, please comment so that I will be doing the program or clarify your doubt. Keep watching my channel, keep practicing and keep learning. Let us meet in the next class. Thank you.